Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana. In today's video, it's going to be a cake that we pretty much see everywhere, and it's just such a beautiful Christmas cake. We see it in Instagram, on TikTok, Pinterest. It's just so pretty. So I want to show you how I went about to make this beautiful candle cake with a nice chocolate drip and an actual candle right in the middle of the cake. So if you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So what I did is that I did my crumb coat and then my second coat of buttercream, pop it in the freezer, making sure that the buttercream was really chill before I did my chocolate drip. Once my cake was really chill, I went ahead and first off did the candles. So many bakers I've been seeing, they're using this kind of candle right here, which is super cute and beautiful for the pictures and very aesthetically pleasing. But what I don't like is that it's a metal base, and me and cakes, if you guys watch me know, I'm not a fan of metal into a cake. So what I did, basically I used a normal candle and I just cut to size, and then I just placed it in my cake, and to me that was more like food safe. And then what I did is that I melted candy melts. I use candy melts for this, but you can use like white chocolate or even ganache. So I just melted candy melts, and then I did my first drip all the way around the top of the cake, and then once that has set, I went ahead and did a second drip, and then even a third one, just so that it looks really like the candle, the wax was like leaking. And I finished the look at the bottom with synthetic flowers that I bought at the dollar store, and which is optional. You don't have to do that because as it is, the cake is just so pretty. But I kind of wanted to do like a, you know, those, you know, when you have those candles and kind of had like the wreath like at the bottom of the candle holder, I kind of wanted to do that kind of look, which I think like came out like so nice. But like I said, it's like optional, you don't have to do it. But yeah, it came out so nice. I really like it. I really hope you guys enjoyed it too. And that was it. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click notification bell buttons if you haven't done it yet, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share also, and even comment down below. And I also wanted to share with you guys and tell you, from my family to yours, a beautiful holiday season. Hopefully you guys have a healthy and a peaceful and a beautiful and a fun holiday season. And please stay safe. If ever you drink, do not drive, just have fun. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one.